Very dark tunnel for a lot of people because 215,000 customers are in the dark in Massachusetts.
They'll be so happy to get the power back. WBZ's Liam Martin is here now with a closer look at the outages. Liam?
It could be some time, Lisa and David. This is the MEMA map. It is color-coded. Red and gray are bad news. Red means more than 50% of that town is without power. Gray is more than 75%. And you can see on the Cape where Jim Smith just was, a lot of red and gray. This is Chatham down here. They're 100% without power in that town. Harwich, Dennis, Yarmouth. This is Sandwich where Jim Smith just was. They're at about 98% without power. On the South Shore, one of the main problems right now is Duxbury, where even the police headquarters are without power. They're at 75, 76% of that town without power. The good news for people in Boston and up north and to the west, not so bad there. This green is less than 5% of those towns without power. But the big issue, again, the Cape, because of the winds there, and the winds also make it tough for the utility crews to do what they have to do to get that power back on, Lisa.